Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Shallots Coconut Fry. Just try it at least for once along with rice. You will enjoy this unique recipe. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it all together with your hands. Keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 1.5 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Then keep it low flame and add 2 red chilies cut into halves, some curry leaves. Mix it for 10 seconds. Now add 250 grams or 1.5 cup of sliced shallots to it. Add half teaspoon salt. Saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now we can add the coconut mixture to it. Mix it well. Also add 2 tablespoons water. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in between every single minute. After 4 minutes, open the lid. Stir it well. Without closing the lid, cook for 2 minutes to remove excess water. This time stir every 30 seconds to avoid burning. Now switch off the flame. Our Shallots Coconut Fry recipe is ready. Just try it at least once along with rice. You will really enjoy this unique recipe.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.